Artificial intelligence just took a giant leap forward. Meet ChatGPT-5, smarter, faster, and more powerful than ever before. Today, I'll show you what it can do, how it's different from ChatGPT-4, and why it might change the way you work, learn, and create forever. ChatGPT-5 is OpenAI's newest AI language model, released in 2025. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text, but it also combines advanced reasoning, memory features, and real-time web access. This means it can do more than just chat. It can plan your trips, write full scripts, explain complex topics, and even help create videos like this one. Smarter reasoning. It can solve harder problems with step-by-step logic. Memory. It remembers past conversations for a more personal touch. Real-time knowledge. Can pull the latest info from the web. Better creativity. Writes more natural, engaging content. Multimodal power. Works with text, images, and code all in one conversation. While ChatGPT-4 was already impressive, GPT-5 takes everything further. It's more accurate, less repetitive, and feels more like talking to a human expert than a chatbot. Plus, it's better at following complex instructions and combining different skills in one response. ChatGPT-5 is not just a tool. It's like having a personal assistant, teacher, and creative partner in one. The question is, how will you use it? Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me try next with GPT-5. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can see what's possible with AI.